Spanish?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. First of all, I want to say that it was a very nice time here together with Dave. And he's a great man, God, motivated by the Spirit. And it was very good because some weeks ago, before he came, it was the Spirit moving me in a different direction and teaching me how to use the gifts, how to use the healing, and that I don't have to be something special, that I have to believe. And the interesting stuff was that when I came into a bus and I saw Dave sitting, and I sit with him, and he's like, "Do you use the healing gifts some weeks ago? Did you had it some weeks ago recently?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I just started using them." And he's like, "Oh, that's great." And when we found out that we should work together in that point, we saw some great stuff. We were driving in the taxi, and I'm like talking with the guy, and he's saying like, "Who are you? Are you a soccer player?" And I'm not a soccer player. I hate soccer. I love martial arts, but anyway, I tell to him, no man, I'm a man of God. I didn't know what I said that, but I said it. I don't say it every time. And he was like, "Oh, from the Jehovah's Witnesses." And I'm like, "No man, we're the real one." And he's like, "No, everybody say that we're real." And I'm like, "Do they all do miracles?" He was thinking like for a second. And then I asked him, "Do you have any physical pain in your body and stuff? Do you have anything that hurts right now?" And he's like, "My back here, operation this, operation that," and starts explaining. And I'm like, "Okay, wait until we go out." And the taxi stopped. We came to the destination, and I'm like, come for a second." And he goes out to the car, and me and Dave pray for him. And I could see it in his eyes that he felt it. He felt the power of God touching him. And I asked him, "Is your back okay?" And he's like, "Yeah, it's great, it's awesome." And I gave him my Bible. I didn't want to bring my Bible. I don't know why I bring it, but I bring it, and I gave him my Bible. And he's like, "Thank you, really, thank you." And then I remember that in my Bible I had stuff like, I wrote in this stuff. It was like, Jesus is a father, Jesus is your helper, Jesus is your love, your help, your everything. And I have some sentences like that, and it will really encourage him, because I had a word of knowledge for him that he thought that he was worthless. And he was working for a taxi company like 15 years, and it's good that the Lord gave me a word of knowledge for him that he's worth it. And my Bible says the same. I wrote it, God wrote it, so probably he'll be saved right now. Yeah, it was awesome times. There are many more stories that we have, especially in the taxi, and because we're driving a lot of the times, and it was good. It was good. The sermons, people's lives were touched. They were hearing and accepting a lot of stuff. The pastors got something new about grace. So that's a short story of what happened here in Strumica. Only one story. If you want to see, come with us the next time. My name is Valentin.